Welcome to the channel. It's a lot of fun tearing down a fixed lens from an old camera and transforming it on a digital camera. I could easily determine the sizes for a ring on the basis of the plate in which the lens was placed. Then just add a piece of M42 thread and you're done. 3D printing. Check it out, guys. With previous fixed versions, I surprisingly discovered what a nice quality these lenses can have. This time again. This lens is very pleasant to work with. And there are even more possibilities by making it an infinity lens. This is an unknown world where there is still much to discover in the apparently worthless, useless old cameras with fixed lenses.